So just wanted to talk to you about question 3 from the America paper, how convincing. If you remember, that is the interpretation question about which one of the two interpretations is the more convincing. So if you have a look, the two interpretations are on the slide. And just really wanted to talk to you about the kind of common misconceptions and errors that students tend to do in relation to this question. By far, the most common student misconception or error with this question is basing answers around the provenance of the interpretation. What the exam board ultimately want from you is for you to explain why and how the interpretations are convincing and accurate in relation to your own knowledge. So you must use own knowledge to test how convincing the interpretations are in order to reach a judgment. Now, note in relation to the judgment, it requires you to reach a judgment having compared both interpretations. So, which interpretations gives the more convincing opinion about, and that would be about the set topic. So, you must cover both interpretations. So, a paragraph per interpretation plus paragraph 3 will ideally be your conclusion where you give your overall judgment. So, very similar to the standard 8 markers, try and deliver PEE points given as much evidence and specific detail as you possibly can. The AQA response that you can see on the slide is viewed as a level 4. In particular, it is the last paragraph where it really reaches a good judgment that AQA viewed as giving the candidate a level 4. The examiner commentary explanation is a little bit wordy, but essentially what it's saying is the judgment shows complex thinking, which is why it would get into level 4. What it does acknowledge is that the response would benefit from greater contextual knowledge, which is why it gets lower level 4, which is still obviously a really fantastic mark to get, but it doesn't get the top of level 4. Hope that helps. Thank you.